going on, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Love me Fridays. Happy Friday, ladies and gentlemen. It is the last Friday of August in the year 2024. I have a special announcement to make. I let the cat out of the bag in a video that I posted on the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor YouTube channel. And I also made a public service announcement on the Mikey Pipes Orlando YouTube channel as a 53-second short. Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to do something unheard of, unspoken before ever. We're going to give our services away for free. Now, you may be asking, Mikey Pipes, why are you giving your services away for free? It's a great question. I'm trying to keep this video PG-13. All right, so it's a great question. So, long story short, you know, when I ventured into the state of Florida, I was teaming up with a plumbing contractor who performed residential service. We were going to refine that residential service with properly identifiable vehicles, you know, service trucks, uniforms for all the team members, rolling out the red carpet when we enter a client's home, and really show off how great having a plumber to your home, how great that experience could be. Well, unfortunately, you know, Thomas Bowfinger, well, he lied to me. He stole from me, stole from the company. He even stole from employees as well. I get phone calls on a weekly basis, even from customers. Regardless. So, when I ventured into the state of Florida, I was going to be adding or enhancing the value of a residential plumbing contractor by offering residential HVAC. Right? It's perfect. We have an existing customer base. We can market and advertise and give value-added services to those existing customers when we're already in the home, whether we're doing a mainline stoppage, replacing a toilet, fixing a faucet, whatever. Adding in HVAC services was a no-brainer, and it's kind of like having more residual income for just adding a service. Well, when I had to terminate that relationship because he was stealing from me and making just like stupid business decisions, it left me holding the bag, right? So now here I am in the state of Florida with my technician, Christian, right? With two trucks on the road, and we have no business. Right, I'm advertising, I'm sponsoring, you know, high school teams and a COE, Windermere. I am spending a lot of money on, you know, local marketing companies that do advertising in Facebook groups. But guess what? The phone isn't ringing. The phone isn't ringing. And unless I'm there, right, there's no real way for me to actually drum up more business remotely other than doing something unspeakable. Yep. And, you know, I'm already seeing the comments in the Facebook groups that, hey, you know, this is a scam. It's a way to get your foot in the door. Well, that's partially correct. The other part is false. It's a lie. And you're making slanderous and defamation comments about my company and about my business model, right? Yes, I am getting my foot in the door. So the rules are quite simple. During the month of September, if you are a homeowner in the Central Florida area, majority is Orange County and Seminole County, right? Your repair and then the maintenance that we're going to perform on the system is free. And basically that includes virtually all parts, with the exception of, like, if you need a new compressor, well, you're fucked at that point. You need a condenser fan motor or a blower motor, right? Nope, not going to happen. So if the cost of the material, my cost to purchase that item is less than $100, I'm giving it away for free. So let's say, for example, you need a condenser fan motor that is $97. It's free. If you need a couple pounds of R410A, it's free. You need a capacitor and a contactor, it's free. You need your condensing coil washed, it's free. You need a new disconnect, you need a new whip, it's all free. What part of free don't you understand, Central Florida? What better way for me to show how my company operates with a mission to make the trades great again than to give my services away for free? And the only thing I ask is that you give us a Google review with a picture. Even better, a short little video. That holds a lot of weight. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is unbelievable, remarkable, extraordinary, never performed before by any HVAC contractor that I'm aware of ever in the world. I am going to be the first person to give away my effing money because I want to get my business name out there in Central Florida because I love Florida. I really do. I think it's a great place to be in the winter. Summer, just keeping it real. It's too effing hot, you know what I mean? So for the month of September, and we're essentially starting on Tuesday, the day after Labor Day, Monday through Friday, if you live in the Central Florida area and you need maintenance on your central air conditioning system, one, by the way, if you need a repair on your central air conditioning system, it's going to be free. Obviously, if you have a coil leak, coil is not a replaceable part, we stock, right? If you needed a condensing coil, evaporator coil, well, guess what? You're not going to get that for free, right? But if the part costs me under $100, you're getting it. And if you need multiple parts that are $100 or under each, you're getting all those parts for free. And the labor. It's perfect. It's unbelievable, right? But it's true. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're in the Central Florida, Orlando region, give me a call at 407-375-1100. Save time. Book online at orlandopipedoctor.com. Your central air conditioning system will be repaired, and then we will do a full maintenance on it for free. Plain and simple. Thanks for watching.